Sanbonani, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a beautiful weekend. Sithi halala kusibindi with her new wife, Amahle Biela. They've been announced officially being lobolad. As you can see, Amahle lana noSibindi bebonke nje emuhle untombazana ku-lilac outfit yakhe. Nkosi yami angasemuhle Amahle, but yo, uTirelo yena, she is having the most of this. She wasn't even aware yokubana uSibindi uhambe kabo Amahle ukuyokhipha ilobola. Nkosi yami, nevertheless abantu bathi hayi no, the way she is, it is giving that dignity of umamkhulu, but it's giving umacele. Nkosi yami, bathi hayi no, uyabonakala nje masho nje naye ukuthi hayi baba, nanoma yini enifuna ukuyenza ungayenza. Oh gosh, abantu they're going on and on and on and on, and everyone is loving the outfit ka-Amahle, saying hayi shem, she ate. Nkosi yami, like she ate her outfit and she left absolutely no crumbs. Is for umtiro yena-ke hayi Nkosi yami, I did not like uTirelo, and I did not like her for what she was doing to Uvuyokazi, but I know I do not like what is happening to her right now. Like, actually it breaks my heart. Nkosi yami, like she's not okay. She is in tears. Like, it's so sad. It is so sad. But when she was doing it to Vuyokazi, like I remember also Vuyokazi crying ukuthi njani kalokhu uzoyenza into enje, that you invite me to come and see your house and then you introduce me to you. Yay guys, kuningi Nkosi yami for uTirelo. I did not like how she was behaving and everything when they were having a fight, and but this one, the way Amahle got uSibindi hold on ubana, she's like, ain't gonna cause you any drama, I'm just gonna swiftly come in and take what belongs to me ngephisi. Nkosi yami, nimuzwa naye makhuluma athi hayi mina phela ngithanda ukulwa, but uma kumele ngilwe ngizolwa. Hayi, at this point hayi shem, umdla phansi uTirelo, like smoothly nje, akana nje ukuthi uzohamba ayelwa naye ini as uTirelo was doing to Uvuyokazi. She definitely thought ukuthi if Uvuyokazi is gone, she will automatically get the throne of being umamkhulu. Kanti hayi, it does not work like that encwadini zika Sibindi. Nkosi yami, let me know, what do you guys think about uSibindi making Amahle the first wife? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.